I can only speak to the one I went to, which was Ein Zwanzig, which was 21 on Bainbridge Avenue, which to this day is still a center for Yiddish activity. Um, it was our second home. We grew up in the building. I mean, that really, when I think about my childhood, I think about Sholem Aleichem Folk Shul Ein Zwanzig. That's where I was. That's where I grew up. Bluma Lederhändler and Chava Goldstein, the principal, and all the teachers, and my mom was a teacher there, and it was buzzing with activity. We were constantly putting on shows that were written by my mother and the other mothers, and Malka Gottlieb would play the piano, and and eventually Zalman was playing piano. I'll tell you a story about Zalman in a minute. But there was a non-stop buzz of activity. Every day, every night, every weekend, 7 days a week, it was always active. I grew up on that block. Even though I lived several blocks away, I really grew up on Bainbridge Avenue. And we would hang out either at the Fishmans or the Gottesmans or the Schechters, because they lived 3 houses basically with one house in the middle. And the school was right down the block. So here was the school, here were the Schechters, here were the Gottesmans, here were the Fishmans. And we lived a few blocks away. So it was constant. It was just constant creativity.